My name's Curtis Kidd. I'm the Director of IT here at Farmington Country Club. I manage all of the information technology systems on property, whether it be phone systems, computers, data centers, audio-visual systems as well. Farmington is a private club. Its purpose is to serve the social and athletic needs of its members. We have a lot of different facilities here. It's a campus-like environment. We have 2 golf courses, fitness center, we have restaurants, lots of private events and parties, weddings. We have a large events team that comes together to put on those events. It's a special day for those folks, and they want to make sure it's as perfect as possible. So having every little detail is part of the job here. We found out about Livewire. We have a product running in our restaurant control force system that needed some maintenance, and the local company we were working with at the time was no longer available, so I had to do some research and came across Livewire. Livewire came out, sent a technician to assist us with troubleshooting and resolving that issue, and I really found that to be a wonderful experience. Livewire actually got us involved with the Invision remote support setup. We had all the pieces and parts already in place to get that running, and so that was, wow, okay. They knew we already had these systems. They offered this. I didn't even ask about it. It was just something they presented, and I said, absolutely, we want to be able to remotely start our systems and help repair things as quickly as possible. And then we've just continued to work with Livewire on future projects moving forward. The room we're currently in at Farmington is part of the main clubhouse. It is part of what was the original home on property. This space would have been constructed somewhere in the 1740s. Recently renovated, we had the paint color changed, all the decor, the furniture, rugs. We also had an audio system installed. Livewire put in these James loudspeakers that are able to be color matched to the space, and so that was something we really enjoyed about the product line Livewire provided to us, is that we could basically put them in any space and have them be invisible to that space. Down the hall, we have some guest spaces with elevators and restrooms, and we have audio systems in there as well. Also color matched to the wall colors. Every space as you walk through the clubhouse are actually different wall colors, wallpapers even, and so we were able to match or hide speakers in every single location. As you progress through the rest of the clubhouse here, you're moving through a living room and into some other event spaces. Someone walks through the space and they actually will ask, where's the sound coming from? They have no idea that there's a speaker right above their head. You don't know it's there, but it just works. Working with Livewire, we were able to just communicate that, hey, we have a need where we want to have music in this space, but we really don't want to see any of the moving pieces and parts of the system. We were able to learn about all the different options that were available to us through the sales process. I was giving them a short timeline, and they actually were able to come up with a design for our area, meet the schedule, and be here when they needed to be. Working with Patrick, the installer, he was always reaching back out to me and following up and making sure that the system worked exactly as we needed it to. And as we were getting into some of the more nuanced details of the system, scheduling actual music genres to play at certain times of day, they were really working with us to make sure that the system was doing exactly what we needed it to do on a daily basis. It was really beneficial to have them be so flexible in their ability to just show up on a moment's notice. Having our audio system be something that I can almost ignore that it's being in operation on a day-to-day basis is very beneficial to me. The system that Livewire's put in for us has allowed me to do that very thing. Yeah, not having to worry about the system is a huge benefit. Someone building a new property, a new building, constructing space, it's been wonderful to work with Livewire, so I would absolutely be recommending to them to reach out to Livewire and have them lay it all out for you, give the proposal. Because I've had a great experience with Livewire, I'm able to stand behind that statement and know that I can recommend Livewire for projects here at Farmington and know that they're going to produce great results.